My friend just sent me this photo of her and her father and is asking me to restore it. And since we have the AI-powered ASUS VivoBook S16 with us today, let me show you how to use Copilot and restore this photo. We can just tap on the Copilot button right here and ask Copilot. Here we go. Can I restore an old photograph? Okay, so it gave us two suggestions. Let's go for the restoration in Photoshop. So let's follow the instructions from Copilot. I already ordered the photo right here. First of all, as this is a printed photo and like it was taken in a weird perspective, let's straighten up this photo, transform this, so Control T, and then I'm holding the Control key here. Try to straighten up this photo that looks good, and enter. Now let's try to remove all the damage. Apply the photo restoration filter. So we'll go here, filter, new row filters, and then we have photo restoration tool right here. So let's see what this does. Let's wait for it to process a bit. Ooh, that looks good already. Wow, AI has gone a long way, and see how smooth this is. Now what we have to do is to remove some of these scratches all around. Just use the spot healing brush and we try to remove some of these spots. Just like this. Since this is a black and white photo, let's try our best to recolor it. So first we can go to filters, new row filters again, and colorize. Oh wow, that looks not bad actually. And there we have it, a fully restored film photo to a flawless digital version. Look at that.